Alright, so window restore Windows controls how windows are being reopened after a restart. And we have several options here. So we have one, which is the setting, the default setting. So only reopen the last active window. None, which means always start with an empty one, with an empty window, which is not useful at all. Folders, which means only reopen the windows that contain folders. Empty workspaces will not be restored. Or all, reopen everything you had open before. And actually I do prefer this option, but let me show you what each one looks like. So none, if we close this out, open it again, we're back to an empty workspace, which is, oops, not useful at all. So very unuseful setting there. Then we have, where are we? Then we have one. So let's open another instance, and this instance is, actually let's open a folder here just to make a point. Testing, okay. So you have two instances open, right? This one contains my website, this is a testing repository, and if we quit and open it again, it just opens the last active window. Okay, I would rather have it open everything I had opened before than just folders. So let's open a new instance. Let's open a folder. And let's open another instance which is empty. Okay, so we have three instances, right? Let's set this to the last active window. And let's close this out, open it again, and we will only have two instances because one of them didn't have any folders on it, so it did not reopen that one. And then obviously we have all, so if you open a new instance that is without folders, and you close it out, when we reopen, it's going to contain all three instances. And usually this is what I want to do, because sometimes I just have an empty instance. I just have a file open without any folders open, and I do want to see that file back, right? If I had this instance open, I want to maintain that state. So I'm going to leave the setting set to all.